Let us develop 45. Let me choose this also, static inner class. What are the members available in every row? Name of the employee, age, salary, area and city. Let me go for string. I'm choosing directly name only, not first name or last name. I'll go for integer age. Salary, area and city. One small observation here. Always go for wrapper type rather than primitive for the attributes. The reason is primitive default value, int default value 0, whereas integer default value null. If you are not assigning a value, in case of primitive, 0 will be assigning, that is a value. In case of wrappers, null is assigning, that is not a value. Whenever you go for global attributes, always declare with the wrappers, not the primitives. Wrappers, not the primitives. Only wrappers, not the primitives. Primitive default value age, assume integer age, primitive int age 0. Even though you are not providing a value, you are getting a value. In case of integer, if you are not providing a value, you will get a null. Null is not any value. 0 is a value. Always look for wrappers. Develop a constructor. Constructor. Override toString method. This is about employee class. Go to the main method. You know already file interaction. File reader before that go for array list, remove these angle brackets or employees. File name is employees.txt. We don't require a finally block while we are using auto resource closing. Inside this, while loop, record is equal to bin dot read line. Bin dot read line. Then get all the fields from a record. After getting all the fields, you need to store that fields inside a employee. Define employee. Employee dot name is equal to first field. Okay, constructor is there. Directly supply values to the constructor. We provided argument constructor. Everybody. First value. Second value is a int value. What we have to do? I'll just represent in different lines. Integer dot parseInt of fields of 1. Also you can trim it by any chance if any white spaces are there, that will be removed. Integer dot fields parseInt of totally 5 values. Employee object is ready. First one is a name, second one is a age, third one salary, fourth one area, fifth one city. Once employee object is ready, what we can do? Store employee in the employees. After reading, so just to print the array list only to check employees. Already we understood toString method. Array index out of bounds exception. Why it is? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Anywhere semicolon is missing. Let me check. Index of 5 is using. There should be 4. You can see. Now, what we had to do? Take the input from the customer. For that purpose, use scanner. Scanner usage is very simple. Scanner usage. Let me go for do while loop. Enter 1 to sort. Why AR? So, in case of case 1, what we had to do? Employees dot sort list of. Eclipse not able to recognize. Sorry. Collections dot sort of employees comma. Let me check. Yes, no. Compare to O2 employee. Yeah, understood. Take this portion. Guys, let me check one more time, keeping this entirely in place of zero. So try supplying C1 rather than developing inside a switch case. It is not allowing lambda expressions directly. You can check it out if you wanted. So this is syntactically correct. What I'm trying to do, I'm taking this portion, I'm keeping in place of C1. So lambda expression while supplying inside a case, it's giving compile time error. Try keeping a C1. Likewise, go for C2, C3, C4, C5. So in case of C2, I'll go for H. I'll go for weight. Sorry, it's a salary, right? Age, salary, area. The last one is a city. All are having compare to method. So please develop all these comparators, everybody. Use these comparators in the cases. Let me go for case 2, 3, 4, 5. Already we have switch case is highly recommended here. Please check it out using different comparators based on the condition. So you're asking to enter one integer number based on his desire. Go for all the cases. We developed comparators. These are the all cases. Any one case will execute. Let's provide a default also. In every case, try providing a break. So please observe everybody. Inside a do while loop, 1 to 5, any one number, defining different comparators, developing case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then default. This is the switch body. After switch body, try printing sorted employees. After printing sorted employees, do you want to run again? With a different input. So try providing yes or no. Do you want to run once again? It is a do while loop. Go for while. That's all. Please try running this one. Do you want to run with different inputs? Please try running. If you want to sort based on name, press 1. You can check it out. Employee name started with Asha, first employee. Likewise, you can keep observing all the employees. Do you want to run again with a different input? Type Y. Yes, I want to run. Again it is asking which input you wanted. Whether 1, sorting based on name, 2, sorting based on age, 3, sorting based on salary, then area, then city. Try entering any number. Let me go for 4. So 4 is based on area. See area starting with BTM. It's a simple program, not a difficult. So if you don't want further running, type other than Y. If you go for anything other than Y, it will come away. The whole execution got over. Any confusion? Everybody? Employee class, which takes 5 attributes, 1 constructor, override toString method. 1 constructor, override toString method. Then defining ArrayList object, reading file reader, file writer, read record by record, split that record, splitted content, store in the employee object by supplying to the constructor. Then add that employee in the array list. Then define a scanner, go for do while. Inside a do while, read the input from the customer. Use that input in the switch. Define multiple cases. Based on the input cases, will execute. Is dot next. If you practice very well, definitely you can able to understand. Let me give one more assignment. Same way you can develop. Right click on your project folder. Products.txt, a new file. Right click on src, go to the new, select a file name is products.txt. Let's go for a different products, name of the product, price of the product, manufacturer name, maybe something like a country. Likewise, go for different products. Likewise, multiple products. Consider first field as the name of the product, second field price, third field company, last field country. So similar to previous development, read this data into the Java program. Define one product class with a name, price, company and country. Product class. Store product objects in the array list. Then sort based on name of the product, price of the product, company name, country name. So everybody try developing by yourself. So hope everybody done. Let us take one more, let us consider one more assignment, simple assignment. Through scanner, Read the elements one by one, store in the array list. Through scanner, read the elements one by one, store in the array list. Directly elements, any element, it can be integer values, string values, store in the array list. Finally, while printing array list, duplicates should not be. So I can enter same 10 times, but it should give only one time. Duplicates should not be. Even though user is keep on entering duplicates, the duplicates should not be available in the array list. So go for do while loop only. Ask from the user, enter a value. He will enter, store in the array list. Then again ask to the user, do you want to enter one more value? If he types y, let it enter second value, third value, fourth value. He may enter some duplicates. But finally, while printing array list, duplicates should not be printed. Only unique values should be printed. But while printing, you had to go for only SOP of list. Inside a list, duplicates should not be. In the list itself, duplicates should not be. Avoiding duplicates in the array list. How? Avoiding duplicates in the array list. How? Please try. Take 10 minutes time or 15 minutes time or half an hour. Try developing by yourself. Let's see how many can able to develop. Don't search in the internet. simple program. Before adding, check it out whether it is already available or not through contains method. Through contains method, you can check it out whether it is already available or not, added or not. If it is not added, then try adding. If it is already added, don't add it. S1 dot contains of S1. Sorry. List dot. List dot contains of S1. If S1 already added inside a list, then don't add. Otherwise, you can add. If it is already added, don't add, otherwise add it. Let us run. Let's run. Enter something. ABC. Do you want to enter one more? Yes. Again enter ABC. Do you want to enter one more? Yes. Let us enter ABC. Do you want to enter one more? Yes. Let's enter 90. Do you want to enter one more? Yes. Let's enter 90. Yes. 90. Go for other than yes. I added 3 times ABC, 3 times 90, but only one time it's taken. Contains method. This is very important for the interviews. How to avoid duplicates while adding elements in the array list. So please practice very well. We will continue in the next session.